So many reasons why I want it for you, man.
Today's video is a collaboration with Nadula Hair. Nadula Hair sent me this wig like a month ago, and I filmed a video for it, but I did not like how it turned out when I was editing, so I'm like, I really need to refilm it, and then I got sick. So now that I'm better, I'm like, let me just go ahead and do this video so you guys can see, look how pretty this looks. Well, today's video is going to show you guys the minimalistic way and a more healthier way to install your wigs. Literally, my wig is so secured, and I don't have to worry about if I have bad products seeping into where my brain is. My brain is up here, and like, you know, we're wearing wigs and stuff and to look good and everything like that, but you want to feel good also, and in the long run you don't want yourself to be sick because of you wearing wigs and all this shit. So I recommend that you guys try this out, and if you're interested in seeing the products that I use, let's get right into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna put on my wig, Glueless. I'm about to put on this blonde wig from Nadula. It's silky straight, so I don't even have to do nothing. I'm probably just gonna run a flat iron through it, but I want to put it on before I do my makeup because I don't know, I just want to do that. My hair is looking crazy. I do have my regular straight backs, so I'm gonna put on a wig cap to hold my edges down. I don't know if you could tell how thick this is, but it's like a really thick gel. It's good enough to brush my hair back with, so I'm just gonna brush my edges back. This is the inside. I already tightened the band in the back, and it comes with a band inside already for you, a removable one. Ooh, child. It's good. Ooh, it's tight. It's pretty snug at the top, but I'm gonna just go ahead and stick the sides down because I do not want this moving at all. I don't want to do no baby hairs. I'm probably just going to do like light edges. I'm just going to take out some of the hair right here, and I'm going to trim it down. Okay, so now it's like that. I'm going to just take this Ebon spray, and I'm going to spray, I'm going to spray down the sides, because the side here is the most important part that's gonna help my wig to stay in place. Okay, and you really want this to kind of feel dry before you tie it down, because if you don't, this is gonna stick to your band or whatever you choose to tie it down with. So now I'm gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna put anything in the front. I'm just gonna put a little bit of the gel and kind of brush the hair back. Like that, and then I think it's gonna be pretty good. I could just put like a little spray, but I'm gonna just spray it on my finger and then tap it in. That's good. So now I'm gonna do the other side. It's literally just like light baby hair, so you don't even need to pull out a lot. Just like right here. I don't like it to be big, especially on blonde hair. I don't like the baby hairs to be big because then it looks really, really unnatural. And then I just do the sideburns because that's what's gonna keep the wig down. If it was a closure, obviously you wouldn't have to worry about that, but it's not. I need some new scissors. I don't know where my other scissors went. Now I'm going in with the gel, kind of just mold it down. The gel kind of helps for it to stick down before you spray. That, and then I spray. This is like the best method for winter time. I decided I just want to spray some right here. And once this is like dry to the touch, then you could tie your wig down. If you do not do that, like I said, your wig is gonna come off with the band. I'm gonna tie it down before I press it out, and then I'll do my makeup. I want to make sure that, like, even if I want a little piece in the back here out, I can do that. It doesn't have to be long, but I want to be able to like put the hair behind my ear and still have like a little natural piece out, like that. I'll just trim it down, like right here, like that. I'm gonna just tie the wig down like this, and I try to give it enough pressure so that it can actually stick. So sometimes the elastic itself like isn't tight enough, so sometimes I have to like hand tie it. Yeah.
For some reason, I was too excited and I forgot to do an outro. So this is how the wig turned out. Thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. Do not forget to check out Nadula Hair. I absolutely love this blonde wig. It's giving, it's eating. And I've seen some people asking me, where did I get this blonde wig? But I wanted to wait because I want to make sure that I have the links. So the links are in my description box below. If you guys are interested, make sure you check out the description box. And I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Nadula.